What's going on, everybody? Today is new guitar day. It is also Christmas Eve, so I felt I was pretty lucky to get this today. It's almost like a little early Christmas present. It was actually supposed to show up a few days earlier, but you know, FedEx is always late. So yeah, we're just gonna do a little unboxing real quick. Grab my little unboxing knife. There we go. That'll do, huh, Jack? Yeah, anyways. Yeah, you like that, bitch? Nice. That is beautiful. Alright. The little Fender logo. Looks like a pretty decent case. Little padlocks here. And for the moment of truth, hopefully it's not upside down. I don't think it is. Oh my god. It's a lot nicer than I was expecting. There were so many different colors I could have chosen from, and black was the only one I could get here at a decent time. Ooh. Oops, actually, let's slide that the other way. Oh my god. This is a Fender Telecaster. It's the All-American Pro version. Definitely a nice guitar, huh, Jack? Oh, nice case, too. You can see how nice and shiny that neck is. You could only imagine like how nice that's gonna be to play. Another cool thing is the certificate of authenticity. That just goes to show it's a genuine product of Fender. Made out of some really nice paper too, like, you know, some birth certificate paper. Yeah. And we're gonna play through my Marshall amp. Give me 1 second, I'll tune it up and we'll see what kind of sounds we're getting. All right, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.